Hey guys, we're going to use this slide that we used the other day when we looked at our blends, and we're going to add another consonant at the end of it and make a CVC word, a consonant, vowel, consonant word. So you're going to be heading towards reading. I mean, this is big stuff. Here's the blend, ba, b, a. So we said last week that this was ba. Now let's add the t sound to the end. Bat, bat, bat. Wow, that's the word bat. Let's go to the next one. B, b, bib, bib. This is the word bib, bib. Good. Be, b, e, n. B, e, n. Be, n. Ben. Ben. Good. So sometimes you can say it slowly and stretched out, and then you can say it faster, and it will come together as a word. Next, this is the blend ba, b, ah, bot, 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 like a robot. All right, here's our blend b, b, ba, n, bun, bun, bun. That's the word bun. All right, guys, see you later.